We heading back outside to hopefully get a clean street pull in. Not street, highway pulls in for the tuner. I don't know if you can hear me. I put you on a GoPro. I don't know which section of the highway I want to go on, but I'm just going one. Hopefully it's clear enough. We can do some pulls, get my logs in, and then go back home. Simple and quick. Gonna try to do a third gear here. That was a little bit more than a third gear, but it is what it is. I'm gonna do a fourth gear. Traffic keep pulling up super fast. Third to fourth again, if I can. If I could, one of the things is holding it in fourth. Cars is on my ass. Gonna do a third, maybe with some anti-lag. Let's see. That was a pretty good one. And pretty much that's all I gotta do. Then I take my ass back home. My girl just called me. She told me I forgot my wallet at home. So I'm not trying to be out here for too long. I'm so stupid. I didn't even log any of that. Damn, that's good ones too. Oh, I'm so upset right now. Now I'm going up a damn hill. That was really dumb of me. I didn't log anything just now. So I gotta start over again. But there's cars once again right behind me. I can't just like brake check them to slow down. He's moving over. He's exiting. Try to do a third again. So that was my third. I'm gonna do a third to fourth and hold forward. Don't want to do it uphill, so I'm gonna wait till I get past the hill. Now that I'm over the hill, I'm gonna do third to fourth and try to hold it. I might as well do anti-lag with it also. I got a good little stretch. Hopefully the GoPro is pointed down. The only thing I hate about Supras and GoPros is it gets so much of the roof, and I just miss out on everything.